Hello YouTube, my name is Harsh Kumar and today we talk about for loop. But first, we will discuss what are loops. Loops in English means a circuit or a closed circuit or a F1 racetrack where cars run only in circles. But what do you mean by it in programming language? Let's assume a problem. You want to display a count 1 to 100. How will you do it? You will just add console log with a number 1, 2, 3 and 4. It will take 100 line of code to print 100, but there is a easy solution to solve this kind of problem and it is very effective by using loops. There are four kind of loops in JavaScript: for loop, while loop, do while loop and for each loop. We will solve this problem with for loop. Here is the syntax for loop. But before explaining what is the for loop, we will discuss how to solve this problem. We need to print 1 to 100 count in our console like this. Basically, we are thinking to print 1, and after printing 1, we add 1 value to it and print 2, and after it, we add 1 value and print 3, and so on and so forth. So with this logic, we are writing this for loop. For loop has three parts: one variable initialization, second condition, and third increment. So what do you mean by it? Let initial value is equal to 1. So if the initial value 1, the for loop start from 1, and in this second section, initial value is always smaller than 100 or equal to 100. In this part, we are checking the value is less than 100 or equal to 100, and in between we add colon to separate this statement, and in the final part of this expression, initial value plus plus, it means add one value to the initial value and execute the statement. For now there is no statement. Let me add console log initial value. So let me comment this console log. Let me show you the result. That's it. But for loop is way more powerful than 1 to 100 counting. We can add more logic to it and make it smarter. Let's see with another example and then I explain it to you. Let me convert it out. Now in this example, the structure of the for loop is same, but rather just simply printing the console log, we are also adding a logic to it. Let me explain what it is. We are printing even number in this code snippet. We use mod operator. Initial value mod 2 is equal to 0. Console log initial value is even. Let's see in the console log. You can see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. There are even numbers up to 100. That's it for now. Thank you for watching the complete video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to CodeFusion because it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. See you in the next video. Till then, keep coding, keep learning and keep improving yourself day by day. Bye bye and take care.